Forget everything you've been told about eggs being the gold standard for muscle building. Yes, you heard me right. For decades, people have been told that eggs are the ultimate protein source for strength and recovery. But the truth is, there are 7 foods that not only cost less than eggs, but can also do an even better job at protecting your muscles, keeping them strong well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. Today I'm going to break one of the most common nutrition myths out there. Don't get me wrong, eggs are healthy, but they are not the only key to preventing muscle loss as you age. In fact, if you're depending only on eggs, you may be missing out on some incredible, affordable foods that can help you stay stronger, recover faster, and remain active later in life. In this video, I'll share 7 foods that are easy to find, budget-friendly, and proven to help build and protect muscle, no matter your age. By the end, you'll see that taking care of your body doesn't have to cost a fortune or feel complicated. Let's dive into the first food on our list, and I guarantee it's going to surprise you with just how effective it really is. The first muscle-building star is plain Greek yogurt. And no, I'm not talking about the flavored, sugary ones. I mean the simple, plain variety. You might be thinking, yogurt? That's it. But trust me, Greek yogurt is one of the most perfectly designed foods for senior muscle health. Here's why. A single cup of Greek yogurt has around 20 grams of complete protein. That's nearly the same amount as a 3-ounce serving of chicken breast. But what makes it stand out is the type of protein inside. Greek yogurt contains both whey protein and casein protein. Whey works quickly, sending amino acids straight to your muscles right after eating. Casein, on the other hand, digests slowly, providing a steady release of amino acids for hours. This unique combination makes Greek yogurt far more effective than just a protein shake. Think of whey as a quick spark that gets the fire going, while casein keeps the flame burning for the rest of the day. This is especially valuable for older adults who may not eat protein at every meal. If you eat Greek yogurt in the morning, your muscles continue getting that steady supply of protein well into the afternoon. And here's something even more important: Greek yogurt is rich in leucine. This amino acid is critical for older adults because it signals your body to start muscle building. Seniors need about 3 grams of leucine in a meal to activate this process. A cup of Greek yogurt gives you about 2.5 grams, making it one of the best natural sources. Greek yogurt also supports your gut with probiotics, which many people overlook. A healthy gut microbiome helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently, reduces inflammation, and even boosts your ability to build muscle. Many seniors have gut issues that interfere with nutrient absorption. By eating Greek yogurt, you're not just fueling your muscles, you're upgrading your entire nutrient absorption system. And let's not forget cost. A big tub of plain Greek yogurt usually costs $4 to $6 and provides around 5 servings. That means each serving costs about $1 and gives you 20 grams of high-quality protein. Compare that to protein bars that cost $3 each or powders that can be $20 a pound or more. Here's a tip: eat Greek yogurt after any activity, even a walk or gardening. Your muscles absorb protein best right after movement, and the whey plus casein combo in yogurt makes it the perfect food for that window. Now let's move to the second food. One that might make you hesitate at first: canned sardines. These little fish are one of the most underrated superfoods for seniors who want to protect their muscles. A small $2 can of sardines gives you about 23 grams of complete protein. But that's just the start. Sardines are one of the richest sources of omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA. Most people know omega-3s are good for your heart and brain, but they also play a powerful role in muscle health. Omega-3s actually make your muscles more responsive to protein. It's like turning up the volume on your body's ability to build muscle. This is especially important for older adults who face anabolic resistance, where their muscles don't respond to protein as efficiently as they used to. Sardines also fight inflammation, which becomes more common as we age. Ongoing inflammation can block your body's ability to build muscle. Omega-3s reduce that inflammation, creating the right environment for your muscles to repair and grow. And there's another big benefit: Vitamin D. One can of sardines provides about 40% of your daily vitamin D needs. Vitamin D deficiency is extremely common in seniors, affecting up to 75%, and it's directly linked to muscle weakness and higher fall risk. Vitamin D helps your muscles contract and supports the production of muscle proteins. Getting it from food, especially paired with omega-3s, is often more effective than supplements. Sardines eaten with their bones are also an excellent source of calcium, giving you around 35% of your daily needs per can. Calcium is vital not only for bone health but also for muscle contractions. Without enough calcium, your muscles simply can't function, no matter how much protein you eat. Another unique nutrient in sardines is CoQ10, a compound that helps your muscles produce energy. CoQ10 naturally declines with age, but sardines replenish it, giving your muscles the spark they need to perform and recover. Now, I know the taste of sardines isn't everyone's favorite. But today, you can find them packed in olive oil, water, tomato sauce, or even with added lemon or peppers. Once you find the style you like, they can actually be delicious. An ounce for ounce, sardines deliver more nutrients for your dollar than almost any other protein source, including beef, chicken, or eggs. The third food is lentils. Yes, those small, inexpensive legumes you can buy for about $2 per pound. Some people doubt plant proteins, but lentils can absolutely support muscle growth. 1 cup of cooked lentils has about 18 grams of protein. While lentils alone aren't a complete protein, your body combines them with other foods throughout the day to give you all the amino acids you need. But lentils go beyond protein. They're loaded with folate, providing about 90% of your daily requirement per cup. Folate is essential for building red blood cells, which carry oxygen to your muscles. Many seniors are low in folate, which contributes to fatigue and poor recovery. Lentils are also high in resistant starch, a special type of carbohydrate that improves insulin sensitivity. As we age, insulin resistance becomes common, preventing nutrients like protein from being absorbed properly into muscles. Resistant starch helps reverse this, making your muscles more responsive to the food you eat. They're also rich in iron and magnesium, 2 minerals crucial for energy and muscle performance. Plus, with 16 grams of fiber per cup, lentils support gut health and blood sugar stability, both of which directly affect muscle strength. Cooking lentils is simple. They don't require soaking and cook in about 20 to 30 minutes. Red lentils cook even faster. A single $2 bag can make 6 servings, each packed with protein and nutrients, costing you just about 33 cents per serving. The fourth food is cottage cheese. This classic food is making a comeback for good reason. 1 cup has about 25 grams of protein, mostly casein, which digests slowly. That makes cottage cheese perfect for overnight muscle repair. Eating it before bed gives your body the steady supply of protein it needs while you sleep, which is when most repair happens. Cottage cheese is also high in glutamine, the most abundant amino acid in your muscles. As you age or when under stress, glutamine levels drop, leading to muscle loss. Cottage cheese helps restore it. It also provides selenium for thyroid health and immune support, and even the sodium content, which some see as negative, can be beneficial for hydration and muscle function in seniors. At under $1 per serving, it's both affordable and powerful. The fifth food is pumpkin seeds or pepitas. Just a small handful, about 1 ounce, gives you 9 grams of protein plus zinc, magnesium, and antioxidants. Zinc is vital for muscle repair and hormone balance. Magnesium helps prevent muscle cramps and supports recovery. Arginine in pumpkin seeds boosts blood flow, improving delivery of nutrients to muscles. The sixth food is quinoa, a complete plant protein with all 9 essential amino acids. 1 cup cooked has 8 grams of protein plus complex carbs that help shuttle protein into muscles by boosting insulin response. Quinoa is rich in lysine, manganese, fiber, and even plant compounds that may have direct muscle-building effects. It cooks quickly, is versatile, and while slightly more expensive than rice, the nutrition is worth it. Finally, the seventh food is hemp seeds. Just 3 tablespoons give you 10 grams of complete protein, healthy fats, and minerals. Hemp seeds have an ideal omega-6 to omega-3 ratio, support circulation, balance hormones, and reduce inflammation. They're also easy to digest and require no prep, just sprinkle them on any meal. So how do you use these foods? The key is timing and variety. Try Greek yogurt with pumpkin and hemp seeds for breakfast. A lentil and quinoa dish for lunch. Cottage cheese as an afternoon snack. Sardines with quinoa for dinner. And before bed, another serving of Greek yogurt or cottage cheese with hemp seeds to fuel recovery overnight. Aim to include at least 3 or 4 of these foods daily, and spread your protein intake evenly, about 20 to 30 grams at each meal. For a 150-pound person, that's around 68 to 82 grams of protein per day. With these foods, that goal is both affordable and achievable. Don't forget hydration. Your muscles are mostly water, and even mild dehydration affects strength and recovery. So, to recap: Greek yogurt, sardines, lentils, cottage cheese, pumpkin seeds, quinoa, and hemp seeds. 7 powerful, affordable foods that keep muscles strong and functional even into your 80s and 90s. Supplements aren't necessary, and you don't have to eat eggs every day. These foods give your body everything it needs to stay strong, independent, and active. And the cost? Less than what many people spend on a single restaurant meal. Start small by adding 2 or 3 of these foods this week, and keep building from there. Your muscles are never too old to benefit from good nutrition. Even people in their 90s have been shown to build new muscle when given the right foods and exercise. It's never too late to start. If this was helpful, share it with someone you care about, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips on senior health and nutrition. And remember, every meal is a chance to strengthen your body and protect your independence.